Vice President Kashim Shettima says the federal government would vigorously pursue the mass deployment of compressed natural gas vehicles in all states for public transportation. Shettima spoke on Thursday while presiding over the National Economic Council (NEC) meeting on the petrol subsidy removal in Abuja. The move was part of the resolutions reached at the fourth NEC meeting, according to a statement by Olusola Abiola, Director of Information, Office of the Vice President. The Council's decisions followed a presentation on questioning the effect of petrol subsidy removal by Chukwuma Soludo, Anambra State Governor, who spoke on behalf of the NEC ad hoc committee. We will also pursue vigorously the mass deployment of CNG-powered vehicles and establishment of autogas conversion plants or kits in all states in the short term. Shettima was quoted as saying, "We also deploy electric buses and cars with charging infrastructure across the country." Although the Vice President did not state when these resolutions will be fully implemented, he noted that the Council decided to support enhanced engagement between the state governments and the leadership of labor unions across the states. Shettima said the committee also proposed the provision of cost of living allowances to civil servants in both the state and federal civil services. The Council agreed to support the federal government's effort to scale up infrastructure, especially to give attention to fixing dilapidated highway roads across the country, he said. That's all for now on Superversion's updates. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.